Iris Smart Vision is designed to realize visual quality controls of small objects such as nuts or beans. Switch on the iris and then turn on the lights as defined in the method. Start Iris Smart Vision software. Check that the camera is connected and the advanced features are locked. First, select the menu Calibration to calibrate the camera. If the lights are ready, green LED, install the color checker in the iris cabin. Check that the white box is in front left and close the door. Then, click on Next and Acquisition to check the exposition. If the exposition is correct, click on Next, otherwise adjust the diaphragm as indicated by the software. If the calibration is successful, the system is ready for a sample acquisition. To start the quality control, select the menu Acquisition and the method. Install the tray prepared with a sample to analyze. Check that every object is in its position and close the door. Then click on Next and Acquisition. The sample name is timestamped but can be modified by the user. The result of the evaluation is automatically displayed in the report. The defective objects are indicated in red squares and the global conformity level is displayed. Click on Repeat to analyze a new sample. Install the tray prepared with the new sample to analyze and close the door. Then click on Acquisition. The result of the new sample is displayed. Select the menu History to visualize the previous reports. Then, select the period of interest and the method. The individual reports can be visualized by selecting the corresponding points. Click on Export to export a report. Then, select the format of the export document. Visualize the document and print it if necessary.